प्यारे बच्चों, ये वीडियो होने वाली है बीए सेकेंड सेमेस्टर मतलब कि बीए फर्स्ट ईयर के सेकेंड सेमेस्टर की इंग्लिश के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डज द स्टॉर्म स्टैंड फॉर हियर? हियर द स्टॉर्म स्टैंड्स फॉर द पार्टीशन ऑफ इंडिया इन 1947। तो यहाँ पे तूफ़ान की बात जो की गई है वो भारत के विभाजन की बात की गई है 1947 में। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, वेयर वर द 2 week-old women blown to? They were blown to Bombay. What news was published in newspaper in June 1947? The news regarding the impending partition of India was published in newspaper in 1947. Next question, where did the peasant plan to buy a bullock from? The peasant planned to buy a bullock from the annual cattle fair in a village. Next, how much money did the peasant have to buy a bullock? He had to buy an old bullock for 50 rupees only. Why did the old thug appear disinterested in arbitrating? The old thug posed to be disinterested in arbitrating the price of the bullock. Question 7. What kind of a bullock did the peasant buy? The bullock bought by the peasant was old but without any blemish. Or questions है बच्चों, how did the 2 women arrive in Bombay? Next, when was the faith of Maji shattered? 10th question, how did the peasant compel the old thug to give him 200 rupees? ये आपके क्वेश्चंस 1 वर्ड वाले, 1 सेंटेंस वाले, फ्रेज वाले और 2 मार्क्स तक के भी आ जाते हैं, तो इनकी तैयारी आप इसी तरीके से करें। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम द चैप्टर द जर्नी रिटन बाय तमसुला आओ. Which place or region has been described in the story? The region of Naga Hills has been described in the story. Next question, why was the journey possible only in winter? In winter, the water in the streams was live to be crossed on foot. Next question, who is Winnie? Winnie is a good friend of Tinula. She studies in the same boarding school. Question 4, what does the story focus on? The story focuses on the human emotions which are the same everywhere and at the man and women. Question 5th, discuss the relevance of the title of the story. The story is the journey here. So the title of the story is quite relevant. Relevant का मतलब होता है कि ये भाई appropriate है, ठीक है. It describes the journey from a village in the Naga Hills to the plains of Assam and from plains of Assam to the village back. In addition to this, Tinula often remembers a girl called Winnie and that unforgettable winter night when she slept in the bed on reaching the boarding school after her winter break. Winnie forced Tinula to embark on a different kind of journey. Next question, what is special about the landscape portrayed in the story? The landscape portrayed in the story is from a far-flung hilly region. इसका मतलब है कि जो लैंडस्केप यहाँ पर दिखाया गया है वो बहुत दूर एक पहाड़ी क्षेत्र का लैंडस्केप दिखाया गया है. The winter gives a vivid picture of the lush green landscape with abundant biodiversity of flora and fauna. यहाँ पर विभिन्न प्रकार के वृक्ष और पशु पक्षी हैं. There are many hills, biodiversity of flora and there are many hill streams and river that crisscross the terrain. These could only be crossed when the water level was down. का मतलब है कि पहाड़ी क्षेत्र में बहुत सारे झरने और नदियाँ हैं और उनको केवल जब भी पार किया जा सकता है जब उनके पानी का स्तर नीचा आ जाता है. The jungles were full of wild animals such as tigers and elephants. When the sun was up, its rays were penetrating the thick foliage which created an unbelievably beautiful landscape. The tons of different birds coming from the branches of the trees could be heard. Now the next question is from the first chapter, The Pigeons at Daybreak. Discuss the relevance of the title. मतलब कि क्या ये टाइटल ठीक है, Pigeons at Daybreak? The title of the story, Pigeons at Daybreak, is the most suitable title. It is the summer time in Delhi. Mr. Basu is lying on bed on the terrace, is open to the sky. It is daybreak when he feels cold and fresh breeze blowing. As a result, he feels relieved of breathlessness. He sees a flock of pigeons flying upwards and spread out against the dome of the sky. They look like small pearls. Then they disappear into the soft deep blue of the morning. तो यहाँ पर ये एक डेथ को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं और पीस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, पिजन्स एट डे ब्रेक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट अ करेक्ट स्केच ऑफ बासु. Basu is the protagonist of the story. He is the main character of the story. He is 60 years old. He is a patient of asthma. He always complains about his wife, house and asthma. He demands constant care from his wife. बच्चों यहाँ फुल स्टॉप के बाद हर लेटर आप कैपिटल लिखेंगे. यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ये स्मॉल लिखे गए हैं. ये थोड़ा टाइपिंग एरर है, तो आप हर फुल स्टॉप के बाद फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल लिखेंगे. So he depends on his wife for reading the newspaper. His wife read to him the news that there was no electricity that day. He feels so much worried about this news and he has an attack of asthma. Next is, why did the photographer look very grave? With the photographer से है ये question. How did the narrator react to his photograph? ये questions आप कर लेंगे. What did the narrator say about his own face? Sixth question, how long did it take the photographer to open the inner door? मतलब कि फोटोग्राफर ने अंदर का दरवाज़ा खोलने में कितनी देर लगाई. The photographer took an hour to open the inner door of the studio. उसने लगभग 1 घंटा ही लगा दिया था स्टूडियो खोलने में. These are some random questions now. What is one of Basu's worst afflictions? Why? One of the worst afflictions of Basu is that he is not able to read the newspaper because he is suffering from breathlessness and asthma. Next question, who is Bulu? Bulu is the next door neighbor of Otima Basu. He is half-witted, burly and good-natured. Question third, why did the narrator break into tears at the end? At the end, the narrator broke into tears because the photograph did not resemble him. It cast doubts on his sense and self-respect. Next question. At the end of the story, why does the old man insist on staying on the terrace? At the end of the story, the old man insists on staying on the terrace because the morning had stirred a fresh and cold breeze. Next question. What did the narrator do while waiting for the photographer? The narrator read the Ladies' Companion for 1912, the Girls' Magazine for 1902 and the Infant Journal for 1988 while waiting for the photographer. Now these are questions from the chapter Punchlight. What is a punchlight? A punchlight is a pressurized kerosene lamp that uses a mantle. It is the lamp used by the panchayat of a community. Next question, how did the Mahatho toil get the money to buy a punchlight? The Mahatho Toli got the money from the fines and penalties collected over the past 15 months. So students, these are some of the questions from Punchlight and Blind Dog. So you must prepare these questions for your examination. These are some long questions like, how did people react when the punch light could not be lighted? How did the musicians behave the evening? Draw a brief character sketch of Gangu. Write a character sketch of the blind man. How did punchlight prove to be a boon? Godhan for Godhan. And you must prepare character sketches of various characters from various different chapters, so that you can easily attempt these type of questions, and you must know the story of each and every chapter so that you can handle any type of question. All the best for your exams, students.